Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your Bitcoin update today. We will check what's going on with Bitcoin. I have some news for you guys you need to watch. Let's start with this analysis now. System activated. So first of all, what's going on with Bitcoin? CoinMarketCap is telling us we have over 18,540 coins now for the moment. The Bitcoin dominance is on 41.9%. Ethereum dominance is on 19.1%. And if you're watching the top coins, what can we see? Bitcoin is growing. It's still growing. Since 7 days, 11.2% in plus, and Ethereum 13.7% in plus. The Binance coin is also growing, but only 7.7%. XRP is growing. Cardano is growing 28%, really nice. Luna Terra is going up 10%, Solana 22%. So you can see the most coins are growing, green. That's really nice. That's really awesome. What is telling us the Bitcoin price prediction from CoinCodex? It's telling us we are maybe now on the top. We may go down again to 40,000 after this and next move to the upside. This is telling us CoinCodex. We have here greed in the market, guys. Greed in the market. And we have a bullish sentiment. Really nice. Sentiment bullish 84% and bearish 16%. So guys, what's going on next? We saw on the 5-hour time frame this bad candle to the downside, a bearish engulfing, a bearish reversal with a medium reliability. Every candle 5 hours, and yes, we saw it here yesterday. So the big question is, will we go down from here? Yes or no? Let's go to the next point. Let's go to this point here. This is telling us Quantify Crypto what's going on. Bitcoin is very bullish, 94.2%. 94.2%. Also Ethereum very bullish. The Binance coin is more bullish, 95.5%, and XRP is also very bullish. If we are watching the top 20 coins, what coin is the biggest winner? It's Luna. Luna, it's mooning in 24 hours, 9%. Shiba Inu also 5%, and Ethereum is going up 2.7%. The biggest loser for the moment is DOT. DOT is going down with 2%, Doge 2%, Bitcoin Cash 1%, and so on and so on. If you're watching altcoins, the biggest winner is Waves. Waves is mooning. Look at this, 64% in the plus. Amazing. Really amazing. So the next point is this one here. We are watching the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. What is it? I have a nice video out there. Please watch it. We are now growing, and you can see we are still in this green zone here. And this green zone means still cheap. We are still cheap, and for the moment we are between still cheap with 37,600 and 52,000. For the moment 47,600. So we are in this price range, and the next big resistance is, in my opinion, if you're watching the rainbow chart here, the next big resistance is 52,000. But let's go a little bit deeper. Let's check this picture here. The 3 trader. The 3 trader is telling us, okay, we broke out from the triangle to the upside. We broke out over this resistance. It is now a support, and the support is on 45,000. This is telling us the 3 trader. And he's telling us we can reach 50,000 after a bit correction. It's not necessary, in my opinion, to make a big correction or a little correction. We will see. Support is on 44,000, 45,000, this green area. And the possibility of reaching 57,000 is here if we can activate 50,000, this next resistance zone. Yes, that's not the baddest thing of all. The 3 trader. Thanks for this information. So now let's go into my picture. This is TradingView. This is my analysis, and I'm showing you here a big rising wedge, a possible price. This is the big target, what we can see here, and maybe 74,000, 75,000, the big target. Depends always where we can maybe hit this line, and if we can make a new all-time high, this would be great, guys. For the moment, we saw a nice breakout. This is the daily time frame, every candle 1 day. And what can we see? We are making higher highs. That's good. We have a new higher high here with this candle. The last one was this point, 45,800. After this, we made a lower high. This was really bad, really dangerous. Now we are making, or we made here with 48,300, a new higher high. But this candle is a little bit dangerous. You can see a long wick to the upside. You know it, guys, I hate long wicks to the upside, but for the most times it should be a red one. This is a green one. So, okay, everything is possible. Here, long wick to the upside, a red one, bam, we went down. Long wick to the upside, a red one, bam, we went down. Now we are going up and up and up more. The big question is, how high can we go? If we are watching this picture, guys, we can make the Fibonacci retracement. I'm showing you this always here on my videos. This is the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point, and we can see, yes, bam, we are back over 0.382 Fibonacci line, 46,700. This is now, in my opinion, the great support, and we touched it yesterday with the candle. We touched it yesterday with this candle perfectly, and now we are over this line. We are growing more and more. Everything looks fine for the moment. Let me check some indicators. Let me check the ribbon band. EMA ribbon band is here as our friend. It's not necessary to watch, but what happened? We saw a nice breakout over the EMA 200. EMA 200, price 44,700. This is the big support. And yes, of course, I think that's also 44,000 support. As he's telling us, here's the big support. I think that's true. I also can see here a nice support with the EMA 200 line if you're watching the daily time frame. We have more indicators to watch. We have the TDI. Not this one, sorry, that's the RSI. I'd like to check the TDI. So TDI is showing us some nice things. We are here really high. We are here on 70 points, guys. You know it. Everything over 70 points is overbought. We are for the moment here on 70 points. We are here on the edge of overbought. So maybe we will see an overbought Bitcoin RSI if you're watching the daily time frame soon here. If we're going a little bit more in detail, let's check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we are overbought. We are overbought with 73 points. So attention, yes, of course, we are overbought. And what can we see on the downside? We have here a nice line. This green line is a support. Possible to go down a little bit. Why not to touch the support again? And after this, a next move to the upside. It's a little bit dangerous here at the moment, in my opinion. This was for me, one point why I took profit a little bit. I think it's possible to see maybe a little retracement from here. But as you know, guys, as I told you, we have 47,000 as a nice support if you're watching the Fibonacci line. Let's check the 1-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, what can we see? 70 points, nearly overbought here. And what else can we see? A bearish divergence. That's also a point why I'm looking at this one. Bearish divergence. RSI is going down. Bitcoin price is going up. That's a thing I'm watching, guys. If you are trading and you see this one, it's maybe a next sign for a downgoing Bitcoin price. So attention if you are watching this one. Let's remove the RSI. TDI. Let's watch this here. Let's take a clear view on this picture. What can I show you here? Guys, that's the 1-hour time frame. And what can we see? We have now a nice parallel channel to the upside. We need to watch this one. This is the parallel channel from the downside to the upside. And we are here on the highest point for the moment. We can make it green. So it's a parallel channel to the upside. And yes, here we are. Ribbon band is here. EMA 200 is here on the downside. Uptrend is here. And what is also here? The middle line. The middle line is now the great support. If we will go down again, maybe we will retouch 46,700. I'm not sure it's possible to go up more and more. I think the market makers will not let you buy here on the downside. They will give this price action to the upside more and more to 50,000. It's possible. It's possible. Next Fibonacci 0.5 at 50,900. Next Fibonacci 0.618, 55,000 and 56,600 is the 0.666 Fibonacci, the devil's Fibonacci. So, okay, that's this nice clear picture what we have for the moment. And if we are watching maybe Elliott wave theory, it's not a clear one, but maybe we see a 1, a 2, a 3. 3 should be higher as 1, so it's not good. A 4, and now the 5th wave to the upside. I know there are some rules. I will talk about the rules in the next videos maybe, but here for the moment, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. This could be the end here on the upside, and maybe we see now an APC correction. Guys, I know it's not perfect, but it's not impossible. That's one of the reasons why I went out here on 48,000 with a little. I took a little profit here on 48,000, and now I'm waiting a little bit. What's going on here? It's a little bit too dangerous now for me for my nice long position. Okay, guys, that's it for the moment. If we are watching here the 50-minute time frame, let me check this really quick for you before we end this update. Here is the 50-minute time frame. What can we see now? Maybe maybe let's zoom in a little bit more. It's not perfect. No, it's really not perfect. A shoulder, head, shoulder, it's not perfect. For the moment, shoulder, head, shoulder. It's not beautiful. I know it, guys. Here is the trend line, maybe for a shoulder, head, shoulder. Yes, okay. Maybe we're going down, touching the trend line. Big question. Can we go up from here or will we go down? If we go down here, we have a technical target to the downside. But guys, this is not beautiful. I know it. But it's not impossible to see 45,000. Here is the big support. This would mean, yes, of course, 44,000, 45,000, big support. Okay, I can also see this one here. And yes, why not? But I think it's more possible to go up and up and up more as to the downside. It's now a little bit dangerous. I told you, we have here some resistance, and this is a resistance area. We need to fight back this resistance for the moment. And here, 47,700 is the big resistance. You can see we cannot go over this resistance, but what can we see? We are making, and that's really good, higher lows. We saw here was a low, we saw here was a low, and we saw here was a low. So we need to stay over 47,430 to move on to the upside. What else can we see? We are making lower highs, and that means, guys, we are making now a little triangle in the 50-minute time frame. I know it. 50-minute is not so interesting, but you can see this is the resistance line on the 50-minute time frame. This is the support line here on the 50-minute time frame. And yes, that's the big question now. What will we see? Will we go down here? Will we break down here? Yes or no? We need to check this. No one can tell you the future, but I can tell you all this stuff for TA so you can make the right decision, short or long. Guys, I can't tell you, but I hope you can use this information for your own opportunities. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and please visit my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm online every time here. I have a lot of nice guys here, and you can see everything you need for trading. You can see the buy and sell signals. You can see the 50-minute time frame here, the 1 hour time frame here. You can see the 1-day time frame here, long and short signals, and you can see my updates, what I'm making here for you on YouTube here, always on the downside. You can see what's going on for the moment. Here are also nice informations. We are for the moment on the buy here if you're watching the 50-minute time frame, and so on and so on. Guys, thanks. Greetings, not a financial advice, yours.